Thank you, Steve. Well, for weeks now, we've shown you the orange dust covering cars and parking lots and businesses in Harrisburg.
Channel 9 has investigated Galvan Industries and that dust for more than a decade. And we were out there again just yesterday for a hazmat leak. Today, reporter Kristen Lee took the safety concerns to state officials, and they said that our reports actually pointed out some violations. Kristen.
This letter is the one the state sent to the owner of this plant recently. The Department of Environmental Quality found what neighboring business owners have been telling us for more than a decade. Emissions from this plant causes damage to their property. Channel 9's investigation of Galvan Industries began in 2006.
And where do you think this all came from?
Galvan Industries.
Right behind you.
Right behind me.
After years of back and forth between the steel processing plant and neighboring businesses, Galvan Industries installed this machine in 2013. The president of the company told me via email it's supposed to collect the dust and prevent it from floating into the parking lot next door.
Just a haze.
Channel 9 returned this summer because business owners say the dust hasn't stopped. Our report got the attention of the State Department of Environmental Quality. Inspectors found emissions from Galvan are being deposited on adjacent property and causing visible discoloration. The state cited the company for a violation and sent a letter instructing them to develop a plan to minimize the emissions.
This is the machine that's supposed to keep the stuff from getting into the air.
That's right. They've told us that, oh, there's a problem with it, they're working on it, but months and months and months.
Bonita Pickett said the machine installed to collect the rust-colored mess doesn't do the job.
It has a green light and a red light. If it's on, it's green. If it's off, it's red. Neither light's on. The wire is just swinging in the wind.
The president of the company told me yesterday he voluntarily spent a lot of money on this machine. I reached out today asking if he's pleased with its performance given complaints from neighboring business owners and now the findings from the state. I have not gotten a response, and he has until the end of this month to respond to the state's letter asking what he will do to control the emissions at his plant. For now, reporting live in Harrisburg, Kristen Lee, Channel 9 Eyewitness News.
Again, the investigation that Channel 9 has waged has gone more than 10 years. You can find all of those previous investigations inside Kristen's story at WSOCTV.com.